Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to talk about the top 2 ways that you can earn money from the share market. So let's get into this. How can you earn money from the stocks and shares? There's two main ways that I would suggest that you look into. There's two strategies that people have for investing into the share and stock market. One is essentially holding for long-term equity growth. So for example, I've got up here the S&P 500 on Vanguard's product, which is ticker code VUSA. This is currently trading at £52.40, and I wanted to show you what growth looks like. So this is the 18-month chart that we can see here. This is obviously converted to dollars. So we can see here in 19th of June, it was around about $55. And if we look at what it was this week, it's about $70. So that is equity growth. That is basically when you buy a share and you hold on to it, waiting for it to increase in growth, and then obviously once it's at a higher price, higher share price, you can then sell it perhaps and take your profits that you would have made. By the way, we can see this dip here, and this was obviously when the virus pandemic started properly and lockdown really began it around the globe, and it took that dip as the whole economy did really. But as we can also see, it recovered very quickly from it. So that's something to consider there as well, about how there can be peaks and troughs. But overall, long term, a good share will always go up in value. Number two, what other way is there to earn money from the share market? And that is through dividend investing as well. So this same S&P 500 VUSA ETF that I've just shown you with Vanguard can also earn you some dividend money as well. So what is a dividend? First of all, it is basically a bonus. You can see it as you get paid a bonus amount of money for however much quantity of shares and stocks you hold within that particular share or ETF, and it's all dependent upon each company, each ETF, for example, as to how much they pay you, if at all, and how regularly they pay you. So, for example, quarterly. So this particular one, the S&P 500 with Vanguard, pays you quarterly, which we can see here on dividendmax.com. And if you had 100 shares, for example, based on the previous payment, we can see it would have been around about $25.08. That's in euros on the left. And this time round, this quarter, they're paying us $21.42. We can see the history here as well, what the previous payments have been. We obviously have seen a bit of a decrease in the dividend payment this quarter. There we are. Typically, we're seeing around about the 20 to 25 range with a general increase over year on year. We can see here, for example, in 2013, they were only paying 13 cents per share, that is. This is one example. Obviously, this is not a high yield dividend. If we look at one that is Johnson & Johnson, so very household and well-known brand and name. If we had 100 shares in that company, they would pay us $101, and that's every quarter. There we can see as well. So we can see here down below how that has gradually increased with time as well, going up perhaps 5 cents every other quarter, or every year perhaps we can even see. And yeah, there's some consistent growth there, and we can see that in their share prices, and growth in their share prices as well. So when you hold a share, you will not only benefit from the dividends that you get paid, also the growth in that company ideally as well. This obviously has a 2.6% yield there as well. So this is just a great way to work it all out, calculate exactly how much you'll get, and it tells you the dates that you'll be paid as well. For example, the next pay date is going to be on the 9th of March. So let me know if you've got any questions on dividends. We can set up a whole video on that. Otherwise, what I would recommend you do is sign up to Trading 212. I'll leave a link down below in my description, and you can start off with as little as £1 in your account, and you'll get a free share worth up to £100 in your account when you sign up with the link below. And this is a great platform that is very easy to use. It shows everything, tracks dividends, etc., and is just really easy to use and to manage your portfolio on. So if you have any questions, guys, let me know down below. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.